So I have a special friend here to help us with this song, to get our music ready. This is my cat, and her name is Abby. And you know what? That reminds me of a song. The minister's cat is a happy cat. The minister's cat is a fuzzy cat. I'm gonna let her go now because she wants to run away. So, we worked on the minister's cat, but I think you should come up with your own. So have a hear their motion. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. The minister's cat is a happy cat. The minister's cat is a silly cat. We did this all in music class. So what you can do at home is you can come find in some sort of fake instruments or make your own instruments and do a here, here, there motion. The minister's cat is a cat. The minister's cat is a fuzzy cat. And so on and so forth. And you can teach your family the game where you fill in the blank starting with A, and then B, then C, then D, and then so on and so forth. So keep making music, and I'll see you later.